This training video is brought to you by K-Alliance. K-Alliance provides high-quality instructor-led training videos for desktop, IT, and soft skills. Visit us online at www.kalliance.com to sign up for your free 7-day trial. Be sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and we hope you learned something new. Real videos, real learning, real success.
In this quick lesson, we're going to talk about configuring incident queues. So we'll talk about what is an incident queue and then how do we create them. So an incident queue is a way that we can group certain work items. So maybe of a certain type, such as incidents. So if I have a whole bunch of incidents of a certain type, I might want to queue them together. Maybe based on a certain criteria. So I queue all the incidents based on, all elements in a certain data center or a certain user base, right? So all the incidents that were generated by certain sets of users. And we do that to ultimately control access to them, right? So if I group them together, I can permission certain help desk personnel to have access to certain incidents and be able to work with those incidents. Maybe I do it so that I've got dedicated help desks or dedicated teams for certain groups of users. I am the sales division help desk, and so all of the sales people's incidents and their computer incidents are going to be funneled into my queue so that I can then work with them in a certain order. And maybe it funnels off and I've got some other people that can help me, but the point is I'm going to queue these incidents together so that we can manage them as a group of work items. And assign them to the correct people. So how do we actually create an incident queue? Use the create queue wizard. It allows you to specify a meaningful name for it, such as the North America queue or the Data Center X queue or whatever it is. Specify the work item type, like incidents, or maybe change requests, whatever the work item type is. Specify a management pack that we're going to save it into, because everything gets saved into a management pack. It really is just a container, a place to put it so we can find it again later. And then configure the criteria. Now the other thing about saving into a management pack is not just about finding it later. All things that are related to each other should go into the same management pack, quite possibly. So that if I'm building all of this stuff, I'm developing the environment in a QA or a test lab, then I can export a management pack, and everything that lives in that management pack that's been custom built will be exported with it and then can be imported into the production environment. So management packs are a place where we store pretty much everything that we create custom so that they can be exported together and then imported together. So when I say that they should be all things that are related to each other should be saved into the same management pack, really what that means is all things that you think, if I were to export this and import it into the production environment, I want all of these things to go together. They always go together. Then if they always go together, they should be in the same management pack that you create. If they don't always go together, then separate them. They may go together, export them both, and import them both. But if you know they go together, then you might as well save them together into the same management pack.
We hope you enjoyed this preview video. Please click on the like button below if you did, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Be sure to visit us at www.kalliance.com to sign up for your free 7-day trial today. You could learn a lot in a week.